How to remove login password from Windows. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can remove your login password from Windows. First thing you're going to have to do is head over to Start menu and then click on the Settings option. Once you open up Settings, you're going to have to find Accounts. And right under Accounts, you'll find all of your information here. So head over to Sign In Options. If you have set up PIN or password, you can just remove it. So if you click on this drop down, you could just go ahead and click on change your PIN. And then from here, you could enter your current PIN to change it. But if you want to remove the sign in option, just click on remove and you should be good to go. So if you are sure that you want to remove this, just click on remove and you should be able to remove your PIN, but you're just going to have to verify your authentication password. And then you should be able to remove your login PIN or password from Windows. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.